How to use BitBrowser to open multiple YouTube accounts in different regions. Is each account an independent fingerprint browser information? For enterprises or individuals doing cross-border related business, they usually need to register different social media accounts, or some platforms need to use the external network environment to log in, but at the same time, some operations will be smoother using the local network. It is very troublesome to switch IPs, and frequent switching of IPs will also cause the platform to consider it as a risky operation, which is easy to cause the account to be blocked. If an enterprise wants to operate multiple accounts on a platform, it must also worry about the anti-association between accounts to avoid being detected by the platform as the same user. Most platforms will restrict a user from having multiple accounts. If the platform accidentally detects it, it will lead to the flow of the account video content, and serious cases will lead to account blocking. In order to solve the above problems, the easiest way is to use BitBrowser, which can isolate the browser environment of each account from each other, realize multiple account opening, and each account can be used with different proxy IPs. Compared with ordinary browsers, BitBrowser can better protect user privacy and does not need to use various plugins to achieve browser isolation. BitBrowser can generate multiple simulated fingerprint information, deeply hide user cookies, and will not leak user information even if visiting third-party websites. The page operation of BitBrowser is very simple. Now let's demonstrate how to open multiple YouTube accounts in different regions with BitBrowser. First, we open BitBrowser, click the browser on the left, come to the browser window page, click the Create window on the top, enter the window name and select the group as needed. Select YouTube in the account platform. You can enter the YouTube username and password here, or enter it on the login page. Select Allow for multiple opening settings. Select HTTP for the proxy type. You need to enter the proxy host and proxy port of the IP. After entering, the proxy account and proxy password can be automatically filled in. After filling in, click the proxy detection on the right. After the detection is successful, this proxy IP is safe and can be used. Let's continue to look at the common settings below, and you can check them as needed. In the browser kernel version under the fingerprint setting, we select the latest version. The language and time zone below can automatically generate the corresponding national language according to the IP address. The fingerprint function settings can be changed as needed, or you can click the one-click random fingerprint configuration below. After setting, click OK. Go back to the browser window page and open the window you just set up. You can see that our IP address is Hong Kong. Click on the YouTube web page and you can see that the font, language, and video content of the web page are all from Hong Kong. What if we want to log in to YouTube in Singapore? Just like the previous settings, fill in the Singapore IP address in the proxy settings, or use VPN, select Singapore in the network settings, and the proxy mode can be changed to direct connection mode. Click OK, go back to the window page, open the window, the IP address shows the Singapore IP, click Register, and you can register a YouTube account in Singapore. You can add YouTube accounts in multiple regions or different accounts on multiple platforms on the BitBrowser window page. By using the group control management function of BitBrowser, you can open multiple windows at the same time, synchronize mouse and keyboard operations, effectively avoid repetitive work, publish all content with one click, and reply to messages uniformly, etc., to improve work efficiency. BitBrowser can be used for 10 window environments permanently for free. Click the registration link below the video to register and use it. If you want to know more about the functions of BitBrowser, remember to follow my channel and share dry goods knowledge every week.